All right, guys, so here's what we got going on. When I installed all this, I didn't have the proper terminals. I'll show you what they are. These guys right here. All right, I've seen a lot of scuttlebutt about how soldering the tip of the wire before you install it is not a good idea, because the solder will compress over time and become a loose connection, create resistance and heat up, and who knows how bad that can go, right? So I installed the first one, piece of cake. I just cut off the soldered piece and crimped the puppy in there, and I tested that they fit up inside the hole, no problemo. So what I'm going to do now, this is still hot. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the inverter so this won't be hot. And I'm going to do all these guys. Let's count them here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 more terminals. And I bought a 50 pack, so I think we're good. All right, here we go. I am so glad I took the initiative to do this. Almost every single one of those terminals was loose. Using the solder method of putting solder on the end and then sticking it under the screw. Almost every single one of them was loose. I will never ever do that again. I am a believer.